Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a valid ID, email, and working Excel, desktop preferred. Once done, decide which certificate you want, MOS is standard, and create the testing account. Next, pick a test center or online proctored option and pay the exam fee. Make sure the date gives you focused prep time. This immediate enrollment step prevents delays later and locks in a deadline to structure your study plan and practice schedule. You now move into concentrated practice using the official exam objectives as a map. Start with timed practice exams to build speed and recreate real-world spreadsheets to learn formulas, charts, pivot tables, and basic macros. Make sure to log mistakes and revisit weak topics. Prioritize keyboard shortcuts and common functions like VLOOKUP, index match, and conditional formatting. Once you see consistent timed scores, simulate exam conditions. No help single monitor to ensure your workflow is exam-ready. On exam day, arrive early or sign in 30 minutes before proctored runs and verify your system, webcam, and internet. You should work steadily through tasks, use time checks, and review answers if time remains. Submit when confident. After completion, download or save your result and certificate. If you don't pass, don't panic. Analyze the score report to target gaps, schedule a retake per policy, and apply the same focused practice. This iterative.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.